Welcome to Master Technical Drawing by Eric Isanga. In this lesson, we shall construct an angle of 45 degrees at a point on a straight line. We shall do this by first constructing a right angle and then bisecting it, dividing it into two equal parts. First, with the T-square, we draw a horizontal straight line, and on it we mark the point A. Now we construct the right angle. With center A and any convenient radius, we draw an arc that cuts the line at the point 1. With the same radius and center 1, we cut the first arc at the point 2. Again, with the same radius and center 2, we obtain the point 3. And once more, the same radius, center 3, gives us the point 4 directly above A. Using the aim ruler, we draw the line from A through point 4. This line is perpendicular to the horizontal, so we have now constructed our right angle of 90 degrees. We shall now bisect it. To bisect the right angle, we use 2 points that are the same distance r from A. Point 1, already on the horizontal line, and point 2, where our first arc crosses the perpendicular. Keeping that same radius r, and with point 1 as center, we swing an arc up into the interior of the right angle. With the same radius again, and point 2 as center, we swing a second arc to cut the first one at the point 3. Now, with the aim ruler, we draw a straight line from A, passing through point 3 and extend it. This line divides the right angle into two equal parts. The angle between the horizontal line and the line through A and 3 is exactly 45 degrees. And that completes the construction of a 45-degree angle at a point on a straight line.